So, Mike, I had to ask you, I wanted to bring you back for another tip. Where are you at right now? Where are you doing your remote work?
What you mean? This background just doesn't lend itself
Yeah,
to
it looks like an
identifying my
antique
location?
store or something.
Well, so happy you asked. I think this leads into another quick tip for those out there who might have found themselves working from home with other people in the same house working from home. Maybe it's they've got kids who have their studies. Everyone's trying to find a place in their home where they can get work done and find their space to be productive. This is mine. Right now, I've got other people who are taking calls in other rooms, and I figured, Dave and I are good friends. I can have a more relaxed, casual space for this video call. It's not going to impact our relationship. And I'm in the backyard right now in a shanty that we built out of old fence. So there you go, Dave.
I love it. It looks like you're on American Pickers or something like that. But I think that's a true principle for all of us. Find a spot, designate it for your work spot so you know when you're there, it's time to focus on work, and then you can step out of it later. Thanks again for another quick tip. Follow Mike Gutman. Check out his courses on LinkedIn Learning.
Thanks, Dave.
See ya.